What's up? Are you ready to witness the next-gen gadgets that are tailor-made to elevate your lifestyle? Stay tuned as we unveil the most incredible gadgets designed to meet your every need. Now, let's dive in. Whoa! You know how important a helmet is when a smart cycling system. So, the Unit 1 Aura Smart Helmet is for you that combines design, technology, and safety. This innovative system includes a hybrid smart helmet with integrated lights, smart lights with magnetic mounts, a second-generation NV remote, and a multi-device app. The helmet offers exceptional visibility with powerful lights and interchangeable magnetic visors. Safety features like a bike certification, MIPS system, and crash detection make it top-notch. The Aura system, with synchronized lights, turn signals, and brake lights, adapts to all types of riders and terrains. Embrace this ecosystem of devices for a safer and more enjoyable ride. The DRIDE 4K is a cutting-edge DASHCAM solution. It offers unrivaled features with its 4K recording, heat resistance up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, radar-based motion detection, GPS 4G LTE connectivity, and dual cameras. Its sturdy aluminum chassis ensures optimal heat dissipation, and the cloud upload and sharing options provide convenience. The Intelligent Sleep Mode preserves your car's battery while the radar scans for movement, capturing incidents even before they happen. Whether for safety or sharing, the DRIDE 4K DASHCAM delivers reliability in extreme conditions. Blending technology and style, the WEZI breath spray offers a dual-purpose solution for both fresh breath and sore throat relief. Boasting an electronic lifting design, this compact breath spray offers both functionality and a touch of fashion. The high-frequency atomization produces fine water ions that cover the mouth, inhibiting 99% of oral bacteria without harming the throat. Its Swiss EverCool freezing technology ensures a long-lasting, refreshing experience. With a national patent certification, this tea-flavored spray is safe with zero alcohol, sucrose, coloring, or preservatives. Say goodbye to traditional sprays and enjoy the delicate and comprehensive coverage of WEZI. In need of a robust and compact charger to fuel all your devices? Your search ends with the Mewtwo wall charger. Equipped with dual USB Type-C ports, this charger has the ability to simultaneously charge Type-C laptops, tablets, and smartphones. The GaN technology ensures high power efficiency, while the power delivery and quick charge technologies offer fast and adaptive charging. Its fold, flat design, and interchangeable plug heads make it perfect for travel and commuting. Whether you're at home or abroad, the Mewtwo's 63-watt output and slimline design make it a versatile and award-winning choice for all your charging needs. The WEISTEK L6 3D printer is a fast, user-friendly, and affordable 3D printer for home use. Featuring a sleek design and an integrated resin tank, this cutting-edge 2K LCD 3D printer delivers a streamlined and effective printing experience. The 6.08-inch monochrome LCD ensures outstanding prints with high precision and accuracy. The innovative design allows for easy resin replacement and supports Wi-Fi and USB connections for seamless printing. The self-developed Slicer software demaster makes the printing workflow simple and intuitive for users of all levels. With its impressive features and lower pricing compared to other 3D printers, the WEISTEK L6 is a best choice for home 3D printing projects. Here on the hunt for the ultimate all-in-one wireless AR glass, your search culminates with the INMO Air 2. Pioneering a new era, this glass delivers an immersive entertainment journey, complete with built-in wireless translation and chat GPT Interlight integration. Boasting a printing speed of 60 mm per hour and eco-friendly resin, this 3D printer offers swift, cost-effective, and environmentally conscious 3D printing accessible to all. The integrated 2K mono LCD screen ensures outstanding prints and precise Z-axis structure, while the innovative design allows for wireless mirroring and private viewing. From entertainment to productivity, language learning, or outdoor pursuits, the INMO Air 2 transforms your digital interaction, an essential companion for AR enthusiasts. Need winter foot warmth? Try the MIMENG Smart Heated Insole. This Bluetooth-controlled insole fit into any shoe and offer both manual and auto heat control, ensuring your feet stay cozy. With wireless charging and movement recognition, it is a convenient winter companion for various activities. The MIMENG app allows you to customize warmth levels and check battery status. Say goodbye to cold feet and embrace warmth with this next-gen heated insole technology. Seeking a game-changing trackpad experience? Look no further than the DUOPAD TRACKPAD. It revolutionizes PC and laptop interaction, effortlessly bridging touch apps with a traditional desktop environment. Its automatic mode switching recognizes app types, offering touchscreen-like precision when using touch apps and familiar trackpad controls for desktop applications. This multi-touch trackpad enhances productivity and enjoyment, allowing users to toggle between modes with ease. Experience the best of both worlds with DUOPAD's seamless transition and accurate response. Whether you're a creative professional or an enthusiast, the POLARE workstation monitor promises to elevate your workspace. It enhances productivity and multimedia experience through its 12.3 inches touchscreen, dual premium speakers, and wireless charging. The array of connectivity options, including USB-C ports and HDMI, ensure seamless data transfer and device integration. Enhance your workflow with the dynamic features and immersive sound of the POLARE workstation monitor. Simplify your setup and boost creativity whether working together or solo. The PROLOGUS DEFI wallet is a secure and efficient wallet solution, marrying sleek aesthetics with RFID blocking technology. It safeguards personal information and thwarts potential theft. Its thoughtfully designed compartments accommodate up to 6 cards, keys, cash, and coins, ensuring convenience and security. Crafted from calf leather and featuring an outer case for travel cards, this wallet combines style with functionality. In the realm of both commuting and travel, the PROLOGUS DEFI wallet adeptly upholds an elegant aesthetic while effectively organizing and safeguarding your essentials. Are you tired of risking your safety while looking at your phone while driving? The HUDLY wireless head-up display provides a safer solution. This next-gen HUD wirelessly projects vital driving information onto your windshield, eliminating the need to look down. With a larger, sharper display, it allows you to cast apps like maps directly in your line of sight, maintaining your focus on the road. Its adaptive brightness and wide viewing angle enhance visibility in all conditions. Enjoy a seamless driving experience with this innovative and affordable head-up display. Experience innovation and affordability with the CARVON EXO Pro electric skateboard. Featuring inline dual direct drive motors, this board offers a comfortable, durable ride. The drop-through deck, swappable battery system, and powerful V4 torque drive motors make it a versatile commuter option. Reach speeds of up to 24 mph and conquer steep hills effortlessly with this electric skateboard. It's your reliable companion for urban rides, offering a premium ride experience with top-notch components. Prioritize your skating journey with the quality and performance of CARVON EXO Pro. Wallet is every man's important thing, and if you need a sleek, lightweight, and high-quality smart wallet, then MONEYPORT Smart Wallet is your answer. Made in Germany, it offers RFID protection and an online certification of authenticity, ensuring your data security. Its NFC V-card feature simplifies networking, making business card sharing effortless. With robust materials like aluminum and stainless steel, it's built to last. Plus, the customizable digital V-card adapts to your changing information needs. Stay organized and make a lasting impression with this must-have accessory. Prepared to elevate your work-from-home setup, the COZE Mat Desktop Mat is here. Its modular design, wireless charging, and versatile layout create an efficient workspace. From a comfortable palm rest area to an omni-device stand, it's ergonomic and adaptable. The power stand offers wireless charging and backstand support, while the box and clip keep gadgets organized. Whether for laptops, tablets, or phones, COZE Mat transforms your workspace with flexibility and style. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or an adventurer, the KeyKit Outdoor Survival System has you covered. Available in 2 sizes, Go and XM Next-Gen Survival System. The modular compartments keep gear organized and accessible, while the durable exterior ensures protection against the elements. The KeyKit Go is compact and perfect for on-the-move situations, while the KeyKit XL stores gear for vehicles, base camps, or emergencies. With its proven track record and positive reviews, KeyKit is your reliable companion for every adventure. Now that you've glimpsed the next gene of gadgets, which one are you most excited to add to your life? Share your thoughts below and stay tuned as we keep you updated on the latest tech wonders.